life is full of haters. Nobody wants you to succeed. Scandal. That mother, I got one party, family named Charlie, not very open person. Charlie, not very simple person. Charlie, friends, I want buy motor. Charlie, friends, I want go for sea. Charlie, friends, I want build a soul. If I you know, Charlie, start to follow. Charlie, Bella love be show class. Now my Bella, I know. I don't know your own. Now my Bella, I know. I don't know your own. See, Bella love be show class. If I see many things, if Bella not show class. If I see many things, if I see many things, if I see many things. Excuse me, give me just my guy pass. Excuse me, give me just my guy pass. Enemies, problem. We don't give them problem. Hey, pass, problem. We don't give them problem. Enemies, problem. We don't give them problem. Hey, pass, problem. We don't give them problem. Yeah. Oh. Mr. Favorite. Now me be this only say commissioner for area boys.
Live streaming can be tricky, and sometimes trying to find the right software to make your streams look really professional can be a real chore. The thing I like about stream.
All right, my people, a very, very good afternoon to you. Dion Osage with his investigation team live again today in Agbo. All right, if you have been following us, you remember the case of Joy Deborah, who was deported from Spain with her 2 children. The story is that the husband Chinedu left them in Nigeria, taking their documents away for the past 13 years, guys. For the past 13 years, we have not been in contact with Chinedu, and today we have been able to investigate the case and find out that Chinedu is in Agbo. All right, Chinedu is in Agbo. Within the next few minutes now, we are going to be showing you Chinedu and see how we can unite this family. God sent family around the world. All I ask for you now is to share this video. All right, share this video right away. Share this video so that we can have more audience, so that we can discuss to see what we can do to make this world a better place. Let's see what we can do to make this world a better place. So kindly share this right now. Share for me. All right, let me go to our staff right away. All right, God sent media. How are you guys doing?
I'm fine, boss. Good afternoon, boss.
All right, good afternoon. What's going on with you? Can you turn the camera around so I can see your face?
Okay, Excellency, sir.
Hello, how you doing? How you doing? Okay, I think we're having a little bit of network issue there. All right. We're having a little bit of network issue. So please go ahead and come back in. God Sent Foundation investigation team. We are not going to be long. We are not going to be long here.
Good afternoon, boss.
Good afternoon. How are you? How you doing?
I'm fine, boss. Good afternoon, Your Excellency, sir.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me loud and clear?
I can hear you, boss.
All right. So can you tell me right now your whereabouts?
Yes. Good afternoon, God Sent family around the world. Good afternoon, Your Excellency, sir. Currently now we're at Agbo, at a garage market. This place is called Garage Market, where
In
currently Chinedu is having, yes, Agbo. We're at Garage Market at Agbo. You will stop at this junction before you enter Iwomi Junction. You stop at Iwomi Junction before you enter. Stop at traffic light. You tell them you want to go to this market. This market is called Garage Market, where
Garage
currently
Market.
Mr. Chinedu.
Okay, so we have been able to locate Chinedu.
Yes, boss.
Is the family there with you? Is Chinedu family there with you now?
Yes, boss. We are all together in the car.
There's no
Boss,
AC in this car.
There's
no AC.
There's AC, but the thing is getting hot. They will just let us reduce off it.
No. Turn on the AC. Turn on the AC, please. Very important. Turn on the AC. Is the AC not working?
It was working. It's working, but it will just go low and later pick up again.
Okay. No problem. It's okay. Don't worry. Let's quickly do what we are here for. Basically, we are going to two of the officers should go with you now to interview Chinedu why the family wait in the car. Okay? Then after we confirm that the family can join.
Okay, boss.
All right, I'm with you. I want to talk to Chinedu.
Okay, boss. I want to put it back on the back camera. Should we see this front camera, boss?
Yeah, put it back on the camera. Back camera, yeah.
Okay, boss.
All right, so you and one of the officers should go to Chinedu right now. Let me talk to him before the family join him. Let me talk to the woman. Boss. Let me talk to Chinedu's wife.
Okay, madam. Oga wants to talk to you. Just talk. He's seeing you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Joy.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today is the day you have been waiting for, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I don't want you to give. I don't want you to give us any problem. I just want Chinedu to see you guys, and we're going to invite Chinedu to our office.
Okay, sir.
So don't give us any problem today. Don't cause any drama. If you cause any drama, I'm going to take my hands off your case. All right?
Thank you. All right, sir.
All right.
God bless you.
All right.
All right.
Let's do that. Yeah, how are you?
That's my chair, Monisa.
I greet you, brother.
I greet you, sir.
All right.
Monisa.
So let's go to Chinedu. Let's go to Chinedu right away.
Okay, boss.
Then you guys need to fix this AC. Our people cannot be in the car, something like that, okay?
Okay, boss.
All right. I want to talk. So you just question him, okay, and we'll go from there.
Okay, boss.
This is your camera right. You can video. I'll give you the permission to video. Innocent. Innocent should handle the camera if you can't do a good job. Okay, I think they are off there. Innocent should do the job.
Mr. Chinedu, we are here for peace. We are here for peace, Mr. Chinedu. The last Chinedu. Relax. My guy is talking to you, man. Take it easy.
Move that!
Your wife is here. Your wife is here. Wants to see you. Come. Hello, boss. Sir, this man is really aggressive. Chinedu, relax now. Your family is here.
Bring the family.
Listen now.
Bring the family.
Okay, boss. Okay, boss. Alpha. Alpha. Go be family. Go be family. Come, Chinedu, someone wants to talk to you. My boss wants to talk to you. Chinedu, calm down. Chinedu, calm down. You don't know why we are here. Calm down, Mr. Chinedu. Calm down.
Chinedu, Alpha.
Chinedu, calm down. Chinedu, calm down. I'm going to talk to you. Chinedu, calm down. Chinedu, calm down. Mr. Chinedu, calm down. Calm down, Mr.
Chinedu.
Look at your family. Look at your kids. Look at your kids. Look at your kids. Look at your wife. Look at your wife and your kids. Look at your wife and your kids.
Chinedu.
Mr. Chinedu, look at your wife and your kids. These are your wife and your kids that you abandoned. We are here to help you. We are here to help you guys. Please, just release. We are here for peace. Mr. Chinedu, this is your child. This is your children. These are your kids. These are your kids. These are your family.
We come for peace. Get out here! Get out here! Get out here!
So you can see what's going on. All right, Chinedu has been busted, and we came for peace. Since he doesn't want peace, then we are gonna give him a different action. All right, we came for peace.
Mr. Chinedu, we came for peace.
Listen. Tell Chinedu if he doesn't want peace, we are gonna come for action. If he doesn't want peace,
Mr. Chinedu, we came in peace, okay?
Chinedu, I'm talking
Mr.
to you.
My boss wants to talk to you. Calm down.
Tell your voice to meet me.
My boss wants to talk to
Tell your
you.
voice to meet me.
Please, please.
Chinedu,
I beg you, Chinedu, please. I beg you, please. I beg you, please. I beg you, please. I understand you. I'm on my knees. I'm begging you, Chinedu.
You understand me?
Chinedu, please. I'm begging you. Chinedu, I'm begging you on my knees, Chinedu. Yeah, I understand. Chinedu, I'm on my knees. I'm begging you, Chinedu. Chinedu, I'm begging you for the children's sake. Chinedu, I'm begging you for the children's sake, please. Please.
I deport.
Please. We're going to help you guys to go back. We're going to help you to go back. Yes. You go back. You go back. You go back. No. My boss will take you guys back. My boss will take you guys back. That's why we are here. Please.
Chinedu, don't worry.
Chinedu, Mr. Chinedu, calm down, please. Okay, please.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay. I know
Boss.
what's going on now. I know what's going on. Okay. We have been able to locate Chinedu.
Okay, boss.
Chinedu is obviously very angry. Okay, take the camera away first. You go ahead and talk to the man. Take the camera away. You can join that later.
Okay. Okay, boss.
Tell him who we are. Then we can come back later. You can join later.
Okay, boss. Okay, boss.
You can come out now. Then come back later. Yeah. Okay. So you can see that Chinedu is being very angered from a place of pain, a place of agony. Maybe what this woman have done to Chinedu has put him in this mess he is in. So I don't know the truth. I'm just here to help, guys. I'm just here to unite family as a God-sent man that I am. I don't know the real story, but just hold tight. Just hold on. If possible, we are going to hear from Chinedu. If possible, we are going to hear from Chinedu. So there's no need to worry. There's no need to just sit back and relax. Okay? Just sit back and relax. Genosage is doing everything possible to make a resolution in this matter. Okay? All right. So you can see that a man who have not seen his children for almost 13 years, if he's still that angry, you can tell that something really bad must have happened Let me speak to Chinedu directly. Let me speak to him directly. Give him the phone. Chinedu, listen to me now. Onyeze. Chinedu. Okay. Then let's use. Chinedu. Bro, welcome. Let me talk to him. Try to get him on the phone for me. Is he not willing? Is he not willing to talk? He's not willing to talk. Okay, so we'll use a different route now. Since you don't want peace, then we'll use a different route to get the answers of him, if that's what he wants. Is that what he wants? I mean, Engineer Martins, you can get that out of this platform. What do you mean, Ando Poorly? How many times have you supported this organization? Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Talking about Ando Poorly, you are upset. What are you upset about? When the case was online, did you call me? You call yourself my friend, a retired U.S. Army. Did you call me to say, Jolosage, this is how you can support? You are telling me rubbish, man. Fuck off, man. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, just calm him down. I know he's upset. Yeah, you guys should calm him down. Then we'll go further. Yeah. Calm him down. Tell him we're gonna help him back to Spain. We're gonna help him back to Spain. Chinedu. Yeah. Of course. Okay, that's why you guys are there. You guys have 4 men on ground. You have 4 men on ground. You guys should be able to calm him down so I can talk to him personally, okay? Calm him down so I can talk to him personally. Tell him that we are here to help him. We are not here to fight him. We are here to find a way we can return him back to Spain, okay? All right. I mean, look at that other guy who called himself my friend, Engineer Martins. You are a U.S. Army retired. You have seen this case online. Thousands of people have called me. You are here telling me that this is not the best way to handle the case. How else am I supposed to do it? Should I go with the law? There are 4 security men on ground. What else can I do? You that is calling myself, you say you're my friend. At the time, we even stay together. You never even called me to say, this case you're handling, John, as a retired U.S. Army, this is how we can do. Now we are online. You are telling me rubbish. I've already blocked you, bro. I don't want to deal with friends who only see one side of the story. About past 10 days now, we have been on this matter trying to bring peace to this family. You that call yourself my friend, did you reach out to me to say, John, this is how to do it? Did you contribute? Have you even contributed to the Godsend Foundation? You are over here telling me rubbish. Man, thank you so much, man. Lovely Godsend family. We are doing our best. You just guys so hot. The guy is pissed off. Even me, I will be more pissed. If for any reason it is because of a woman that I find myself in a situation that I'm not. So nobody knows the situation right now. That is why I told you guys, we cannot judge a story by one side. We cannot judge a story by one side. So we need to hear from Chinedu to see what really happened. It is possible that this woman has put this guy in a mess. For a man to be that angry after 11, 12 years, you have not seen his kids, and he's not even looking at the face of his children. What does that tell you? It tells you that the man is operating from a place of pain. All right? So we cannot judge this story just like that. We'll hold on, guys. We'll see how we can talk to Chinedu to see how we can support him, right? That's the best thing we can do. I am not the governor of the state. I am not the commissioner of the state. I am just a young person who love my people, who want to find a way to unite everybody around the world. You know, let me take this away. The other guy is coming here telling me, John, this is not the best way to handle it. How do you want me to handle it? Huh? Tell me not the best way to handle it. Are you the one to tell me? When I started this organization, you were part of the people who did not believe in me. When you were living in Texas, when I started this organization, you were part of the people who when I have an event in Texas, you never come over to the event. When I have events, you guys mocked me, you guys laughed at me that I'm doing this for selfish interest, and that's 10 years ago. We are still in the same also. Now you're telling me rubbish. Can I talk to him now? Chinedu. Chinedu. My name is John Osage, okay? I'm an American. I live in America for a long time. See, brother, I'm on your side. Whatever you are going through, I have been there. Whatever the situation you are going through now, woman matter, woman abuse, woman disrespect, woman calling police, I have been in your position, and I have talked to many of your friends who live in Spain before with you. They told me that you are a nice man, that you are such a nice man, and we don't really know what happened. I'm here to find a solution. If you want to go back to Spain, I have the connection to do that, brother. Please, let's just have a time. You can come to our office and we can discuss. I can help you the best way I can. A lot of people have reached out to me. A lot of people know you. They say you are a good man. That you are a good man. That's what a lot of people told me. Okay? Please, my brother. Everything that is happening to you, we are going to find a solution. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's not give you more hits. Please, just okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes. Yes. Are they with you? Are they with you? Yeah. Are they here? Are they here?
I dropped 2 million naira from my account.
2012, yes.
Yeah, 2012, I dropped 2 million naira from my account. She want to use do business.
That's 2012, 2012, 2 million naira. Not be small money that time. 2012, this time now that money is about 20 million. Yeah.
Yeah, I dropped a flat for her. Only one of my friends. You will know everything. If you need them, at least through install the year. You rent flat. I do the flat that time, and I'm build the house for 10 years. The only house when I get is village. I build a house in duplex. At that time, I never build duplex. I rent flat for her. I pay for wood 1 year for the flat.
Yes.
Everything when I buy for you, musician, this thing, let me say, set everything. I drop everything. You know, I buy only one set is 1,150,000. 150,000 for set when I buy for them.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
I buy everything carry. The next day, my mother say because he is pregnant. My mother tell me say he is pregnant, and he tell me say he is pregnant. I say my mother don't die. The only that one will be my weakness. You understand me?
Yeah.
My mother stay with them. My mother stay with them under 3 days. He tell my mother to leave alone. make my mother come up for the house.
After 3 days, that woman there told your own mother to leave the house. You see? After 3 days, that woman told your own mother to leave the house. Chinedu, let's do this. Let's do this, my brother. Okay, go ahead.
For my own vaccination when I did.
Yes.
You don't know. Yeah. I buy everything. The house when I rent for a good year for them. They break a house for under 1 month. House when I pay for 1 year because of the money they inside account. He carried the money. He said he want to marry me again. That's what she tell me. We call our family, my own family, the own family in the village. We discuss everything. He said no. You don't want to marry me again. Later, I tell me, say, he want to beg. The mother tell me, say, he want to beg. And my father say, no. You understand me? I call the father, I'm going to say, no. Because in the life, when a mother lives, now I want to live. And I say, no. Because I say, he spend my money. Yeah, brother. Like 2,000 something. I spend everything for person when the euro. I spend not less than 5 million naira. Everything when the account, everything is zero. But I don't marry. I don't need that. I don't need to marry another wife. That's why I verse.
Yes.
I look up. I take everything. I do everything for embassy. Then they find me. You understand me?
Yeah.
I say prison, this woman. I cannot stay prison with this woman years. That's why I say no.
So you were in prison?
Yeah, I was in prison. You ask him, I was stay prison with this woman more than 5 times in prison in Europe.
Because of this woman, you go prison.
Yeah, I go prison. If I lie, you.
No, I believe you, brother. I have always been on your side because I told the woman, I said for a man to abandon a woman with a pikin, it's almost impossible unless you do something strong to that man. So my brother, I feel your pain, but we can find a way forward. I can assist you. My name is John Osage. Chinedu, come online, let's talk. Come online so you can see who you are talking to. Come online. Okay. You shed tears. Put Chinedu online. I want to see Chinedu face. Put Chinedu online. You see what's going on? Never to judge the story on one side. You see that? You see what's going on? All these women. I have my own side of the story. One day, I'm going to share a story to the whole world of a woman who claimed to be a pastor that I'm married to. Laba, 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 laba. Speaking laba, laba online. Women, you guys have to stop all this. You guys are the main reason why many men have become devilish. Let's see if you can come online so you can talk to us. Of course, I will be very angry. If you put me in prison, for years, of course I'll be angry. So that you see what's going on? All of you were saying, Chinedu this, Chinedu that, Chinedu this. You can never judge a story by one side. This man have been in pain. Chinedu have been in pain. Chinedu have been in pain.
You talk.
You can never judge a story by one side. Chinedu.
Yes, talking to you now.
Yeah, I mean,
Chinedu,
yeah.
I am with you, my brother. I feel your pain.
I say in Europe.
I feel your pain, bro.
Yes, but see where I stay. Here's my own stuff. But I live, help guys. Everybody like me. Everybody understand me. Friends, help people eat from my house. But because of this woman, I pay. I drop. I say I want to come back to Nigeria. I drop 10 million naira. Everything spent billions of naira, but it's zero. They reach our village. They say no. You understand me? We discuss everything together within family. The men fight for my family. I said no. I meet them. I said no. Not me. Make him tell me what's in there. I wait. I say good 2 years. I married. I look everything. Stress. I said, what thing I go do? Nothing. I said, what thing I go do? Nothing. They asked me for this side. Everybody went and check my name for this thing. I enter Nigeria because of prison. I say prison, yes, with this woman. But I don't need anything with them again. Again, Chinedu.
Chinedu.
Yeah.
Chinedu.
Yeah.
Today, my brother, Chinedu, everything where you go through, listen to me, my brother. Everything where you go through, we are going to turn everything around for your own good. I am a man like you. I know what you have been through, brother. I have been in that position. If not because I have wisdom, I would have been in jail. I have been in your position, and because of that, I am going to be for you. I'm going to stand with you. I'm going to be for you so that anything you want to do, we are going to achieve it. So, my brother, please, just calm down. I love you, my brother. I love you on behalf of all the old men in the world that are going through the same thing you have gone through, my brother. We are going to turn your story around. We are going to show you massive love. All the things you have lost, my
That's why.
brother, believe me, bro. Believe me and believe God. We are going to turn around. All right? Please, my brother.
I be in US.
Listen, I'm talk to you first.
Bros,
I know you talk.
Yeah, I'm here.
No, so you wanted to say something. Said that you've been in US.
No, I be in US. You understand me? I be in US every holiday time. I didn't US. I say UK. I say UK for 1 year. I live in UK for 1 year.
Chinedu,
yeah.
No need to talk too much. My man, Innocent.
Boss.
Please, collect Chinedu's number.
Okay, boss.
Chinedu, Siam, you not get wahala. Now me they talk to you, so look my face. You not get wahala. I did your side. I did your side. You hear me so? Yeah. I did your side, Baba. I be Yankee boy. I don't go your city. I don't go Valencia. I don't go Benidorm. I don't go Alicante. I don't go Madrid. So I don't go everywhere for Spain. I able to speak the language. You understand?
Yeah.
So I know what men don't go through.
Get
for Europe. So, brother, my brother.
Yeah.
Now.
Get that too.
Huh?
Get that too.
What you talk?
Get that.
He's speaking Spanish.
I speak Spanish.
Poquito español, papá. Poquito español. Poquito.
Porque tú no vives ahí mucho tiempo, ¿no?
Yeah, poquito español, papá. Poquito habla inglés.
Ya lo sé.
Habla americano.
¿Qué tiempo vive en Alemania? Italiano, tú no vives italiano?
I know they hear that one, my brother. The one they speak, so I know they hear that one. Chinedu. I know they hear that one. I know they hear that one.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Okay, so Chinedu, there are so many people around the world who want to support you. If you want to go back to Europe, I have the connection. All right, I have the connection to all the embassy in Nigeria. If you want to go back to Europe, then we can do that. So let's find time. I want to invite you to Benin so that we can discuss this matter one-on-one to see what we can do to help you out of this place you are. Because I talked to some of your friends. One guy called, is it Javet, the man you live with before. The man said you are a very good man. He said you are a good man. How you used to help people in Spain.
You're the man, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
But this is the only request I have for you now. Chinedu, the only one request I have for you is to, I only have one request is to hug your children, not your wife, not your wife. I want you to hug your children, brother.
But this guy, because I don't need anything with him.
Yeah,
you understand me?
but
Bring everything with him.
But your children.
No, because children, no. Bullshit everything. I don't need anything because this is family issue. They don't discuss everything for me. Hello?
I'm with you.
You want to? You there?
What about your children? Your children, give them a hug. If not, you just give them a hug.
Because we don't discuss everything. Because you know that the family, the time when discuss everything, that's 12 years ago.
You can talk first. Make will give you time. Make will discuss with you or before you get a reply. The point of the make will give us
because of the sake of people, is it for the world? May they watch us for the children. For the children. Big honor. I understand, Chinedu. Big honor.
Okay,
Big honor.
don't force him.
Okay. Okay, boss.
Supposed to discuss it as I would know 2 years ago. Yeah, I was supposed to come over. I'm not come over. Ego boom. Yeah, carry it. No woman. Any woman. Okay, logo. Yaman him can. Email. No good men. 2 years ago.
Women.
2 years ago. Chick and guys. Almost
Women. I will share my story to you guys. I've said it already. I'm going to share my story, my experience to you guys. That one will be online. Chinedu, I deal with you.
time that you give them feedback.
I deal with you, my brother. I deal with you. I'm with you. I feel your pain. I feel your pain, my G. My G, I feel your pain. I am with you. I feel your pain, man. I am with you.
Yeah, I know.
We are going to turn everything around. We are going to turn everything around.
They blocked me to enter UK. That's why they deport me. Come here. Before that, I do everything. You cannot enter. US cannot enter. That's why they here.
Who caused that one? Because of that woman.
Now listen, if you need me to settle everything, make him come my village. We request everything as we discuss everything before. Now she's supposed to pay me. I block everything, chop me not less than 6 million naira. I talk.
The woman frustrates you.
Yeah, it frustrates me. That's why they here. You understand me?
Okay, but
you ask them. You ask them. I think you talk to.
Relax. I have what it takes. I have what it takes to help you out. Okay? All right. Just send me that things. Get Chinedu number for me. Chinedu, give them your number for me. I will be communicating with you. Let's see what we can do to help you out of this country. Did you hear what I said now?
Yeah, but I hear you, boss.
Yeah, get Chinedu number for me. Let's see how we can help Chinedu out of this country. Because no man deserves to suffer that much. You see what women are doing to our men? You see what women are doing to our men? A man who live abroad because of woman is now living this kind of life.
Magasi for you.
I did for you.
Anything when they want to discuss, make them come to the village. Make share. Repeat what they talk with the family. I did for you, Chinedu. I did for you. I know what you are going through. I feel you. Don't worry. Just exchange the number for my people. I'll call you. Then we'll talk more. I'll call you. US. Guy, listen. US, you understand me? People receive sometimes in a day 100,000 in a day. But now I receive sometimes maybe 250 or 300,000 or 2,000. But it's bullshit. Because of this woman, I deport. Because of this woman, shit here. I don't want to see anything. I first, all my friends, the first woman.
You have every right to verse. If not me, sir, I will keep pressing. Yes, you have every right to verse.
I shed tears. I supposed to, as I did here. Listen, I supposed to do here a day. I supposed to get 100,000 for one day.
Yeah.
I paid tears of my life.
So
I supposed to get 100,000 a day. But here, I get 200.
it's okay.
I face.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's why the honor will pick me. Stress, I pass through. That's why I see everything for television. When they see me, I talk. I face. Boys, I have that pick sometimes 80,000 a day.
It's okay, boss. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. All right, you guys talk to Chinedu. Calm him down. Chinedu, don't worry. We'll talk more about this. I love you, bro. I love you. We'll talk more about this. Okay? So, my people, you can see what's going on. A person who live abroad. Eh? You see what's going on, my people. A person who lived abroad, help this woman as a 12 years ago with 6 million. You know what 6 million 12 years ago? With 6 million 12 years ago, you can build a 4 flat. Rented an apartment for her, brought her to Nigeria. 3 months later, she said she don't want to get married because she believed that money don't enter her head. The money where Chinedu give this woman don't enter her head. She believed that she could have done it by herself. Her mother must have deceived her. If you trace the record of this woman now, you find out that even her mother may be a single mother. So when they got the money from Chinedu, the mother told this woman, oh, leave Chinedu alone. Maybe after some time, the business failed. Now they started blaming Chinedu, who is a good man. Chinedu is a man who wanted to help his family. My people, and I look this matter. I am for Chinedu. You can be for who you want to be with. But my goal is to unite the family. I don't care if they are together. But the children need some love. So we are going to be inviting them to our office. Chinedu, let's start with Chinedu first. Then I'll give you guys a date on that. Please support this program with whatever you can. I can't do all this alone. Going to Agbo today have cost us over 100,000 naira. Going to Agbo today has cost us over 100,000 naira. Buying fuel, mobilizing our staffs and our security and all that. It has cost us some money. So please, First Bank is there. If you love what we are doing, if you like the fact that we are trying to bring a true story to you, please kindly show your support. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Many of you reach out to me, oh, Dion, this woman, I want to help her. But never you judge a story by one side, my people. Somebody will tell you something bad about genocide, you are believing them. When you have not even spoke to the genocide, you are condemning, you have not spent time with me. You don't know my true attitude. You don't know who I am. Because you hear somebody say, genocide, you believe them. That makes you a big fool. It makes you a big fool to believe what people say in the first instance. It makes you a big fool. All right? So that's it for today. All right? More update is coming for you in the following days. God bless you all. God bless Godsend Foundation family. This is a story that has been pending for 13 good years. For 13 years, they have not been able to find a solution to this story. For 13 good years, they have not been able to find a solution to this story. But the Godsend Foundation, John Osage, has been able to do that. A Godsend Foundation have been able to do that. Look at a person that lives in Europe now selling pure water, selling Omo. You think that's going to make them happy? No. A person that lives in Europe that had 5 million 12 years ago to help his family back home, rented a flat for the family. Right? Can you imagine that? I love you guys.
Hello, boss. Boss, he's
Yeah.
still insisting. He don't want to give us his number.
What is that here?
When you learn Johnny, he's done
From that side.
Chinedu,
What is that?
give me your number now.
Chinedu, wait, ma put him in sound for front camera.
No, I don't know.
I beg.
Chinedu,
Yeah, guys, I didn't hear you.
I need your number. I need your number, bro. I want to talk to you,
Yeah,
man.
2 boys work for 24 hours. In the
want to talk
US,
to
yeah,
you, bro.
2 boys work from
I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you later on.
He wants to talk to you.
I want to talk to you later on.
Matchy boy London, no?
I want to talk to you later, bro.
He
Make
said he
sure
wants
you
to
give me
talk
your
to you.
number.
Yeah?
Give me your number. I won't call you later. Give me your number. More talk. Man to
Man,
man.
maybe I
I
don't
beg.
occupy.
I beg.
Well,
More
maybe
talk.
I
Man to man.
don't occupy. I know say you they beg me, but my line is blocked for everybody. What do you want to discuss? Because my line, I always busy with my line. You understand me? I mean, guy.
Chinedu,
Yeah,
I
sir.
can help you see a better day. I can help you see. I can help you see a better
Yeah, I
day.
know.
I
I know. But I did in last 2 years ago. No, I did in US. I did America last 3 years ago. I say, are you America in Teremos? I stay for America. That's me, guy.
Let's talk. Drop your number. We'll talk. All right. Drop your number. I beg. Run out for me. Me and you one-on-one.
The person last time you remember me again. That's how they make it for number. Boss. Freestyle, how is it like that? You know my guy. Don't forget that I call. Don't give me anything. What they change that? Na boss. Na boss. Everything go fit change your life.
I don't say I'm boss, you know. Nobody change my life.
Nobody can take your life. Nobody can take your life. Biko no. Make two of na talk.
You see me.
More online, one-on-one.
I say he say enter this 2 days again. I did America. Because America visa I get them 24 hours. You trust me. You know. I say Europe. That's 2 years ago. Yeah, you know. Everything they do with me. I did America tomorrow.
No problem. If he doesn't want to get his phone number, you can drop our number with him. And if you want to call, that's his choice. I mean, we've done our best. If he doesn't want us to have his phone number, if he doesn't want to continue, then you can drop our number with him. You can call us whenever he feels the need. Okay?
Okay. Okay, sir. I hear you, boss. What? Don't worry, sir. What doing?
That's his choice. I mean, I've done my part, and I want to help. But if he's making it a big deal to get the help he needs, then that's his choice. Okay?
I'll call you. My own. Okay.
All right, so you can see what's going on, guys. This guy even now have a metal head. You can see that he has a metal head. Women, please stop oppressing your man. Women, please stop oppressing your men, especially when you are in a country that give women rights. You'll be oppressing your man. You'll be oppressing them. Is it fair? Now, wow. All right, God send family. I think I've done my part for the day, and yeah, we're gonna see follow up. Yeah. You said this is spiritual. It's very possible, Desire. It's very possible. Huh? Yes, the guy has a metal head. I know get metal head now. You if they try, you can't lose your children. You know, everything can scatter. You go affect you psychologically now. You go affect you psychologically. You go make you don't go feel this sound. Thinking about it. Do you know what that means? The guy has a mental head. The guy is sick. We can help. We're gonna help. We're gonna make a difference. We're gonna be a God sent to this family. We're gonna break every barrier that the devil has planted in the life of this family. We're gonna break it. Every evil, wicked people that have been haunting this family, we are gonna break it. And it mostly starts with mothers-in-laws. Mother-in-laws. Look at the short story the guy said now. The short story. Can't you think for yourself? Because of this woman, he was locked up for years. Who knows what the woman said? And the woman came to the office to tell us a different story. Came to our office to tell us a different story. Yes, yes, Tina. Of course, Meg. Depression, frustration can cause that. I have been in that situation. I have been in a situation where I am constantly depressed by a woman I once married to. Constantly depressed. Do you know what it means for you to marry a wife? You marry a woman. The mother of the woman you married will call the house. Cannot even say, hey, how's your husband? Let me say hi to him. Do you know what it means to be calling your mother-in-law and she doesn't pick up? May God bless all the real men out there. Please, men, cry out. Men, cry out. Men, cry out. Many of you are in pain. Many of you are in pain. You are in pain. You don't have the courage to speak up. You don't have the courage to say enough is enough. You are in pain. You are living in pain. Some of you, your wife beat you today. Some of you, your wife called police for you today. It's so sad, man. Hello, Jonosage. Yeah. Jonosage is speaking to you now.
This life that you are making now, that you are making here now, that guy is a big liar. That girl is my husband's younger sister.
Okay.
That guy says he's a big liar. My husband's mother and Joy's mother, they are one family.
Okay.
Every person to my husband to explain everything.
Okay, hold on, madam. Hold on. You and your husband, well, you guys are aware that Joy is at home since. Why did you guys not render help for her? I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk about that. You are telling me he's a big liar. He's your husband, younger sister. Joyce did not have a phone until last week. Joyce did not have a phone until last week. She's your family member. You could not even. All right, you guys go to Benin, man. Much love. Drive safe. Call me later. Thanks for the good job, guys. I owe you guys one. All right, much love.
Monitor.
Let me say that to the officers.
Monitor.
All right, good job, all the officers there. All the officers.
Thank you for the motion.
You know, so you're telling me the one is a liar. Joyce has been in Nigeria for 13 years. She could not even have a phone. We bought her a phone last week. Now you are telling the man is a liar. Do you want? I beg, my people, one love. I've done my part for today. We'll follow up on the story on another day. Support God Send Foundation. No, the mobility today not easy. Now only Mama K and one of our brothers now send us money to do this trip. Support us. May they do this good. They go. At least at the end of the day, we're gonna be able to unite the children and Chinedu. We're gonna be able to unite Chinedu and the children. I don't really care what happened to the women, to the woman. They don't have to be together because of the fact that many women are the problem many of us are facing today. That's my time. John Osage, another day, and the movement continue. Thank you so much. Drop your comment, drop your opinion. All is welcome. All is welcome. All is welcome. Baba Alvin, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Teaching the woman triggers some bad memories. Of course, Eve. What do you think? What do you think? Of course, you're gonna. Me, I'll go crazy. Chinedu is a very calm man. For me, I feel boss person head. Chinedu is a kind man. For me, I'm crazy. I can go crazy and do something crazy. So Chinedu is a very calm person, actually. Okay. Yes, Chika, no problem, Chika. We are going to do that. At least the best we can do is to unite the family so that the children can have contact with their father and see how we can help Chinedu and maybe even help the woman so that they too can, live a better life. I will tell you guys my story on a good day. I will tell you guys my own story. All right, much love. Please, all bloggers, help us share this video. All bloggers, help us share this video so we can have good news. I love you guys. Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for believing in me. This is not about sentiment. I am not being sentimental. I am not being sentimental. There's nothing sentimental here. If I wanted to be sentimental, I would have supported the woman and blamed Chinedu. I am not being sentimental. But you can tell the pain from the man's eyes. You can tell the pain. More stories ahead. More stories ahead. More stories ahead. All right, guys. Much love, everyone. I gotta go. Love you all. Love you all. Love you all. To the moon and back. Thank you so much for watching. We'll bring you more story. Rita Otamiri will bring you more story so that we can see what really happened. We are going to invite the woman back to the office tomorrow. Join us live tomorrow by 1 p.m. 1 p.m. All right.
I'm alone, God. Jehovah bless me. Why you get from Lord? Jehovah bless me. Why you get from? See, no matter I know. I don't know your own. No matter I know. I don't know your own. See, better not be show class, so if I see many things. If I let not show class, so if I see many things. Life is full of haters. Everywhere. Life is full of haters. Nobody wants to succeed. Charlie, a very open person. Charlie, a very simple person.